Utilitarianism is a framework for making decisions by looking at the outcome. It suggests the best choice is the one that benefits the most people. In philosophy and economics, utility simply means the amount of satisfaction, happiness, or value gained from a specific action or choice. Unlike other ethical systems that focus on rules or character, utilitarianism cares only about the final result of your decision. The goal is simple to state, but hard to do. Create the greatest amount of good for the greatest number of people involved. While utilitarians look at the final outcome, other systems focus on following strict moral rules, regardless of what happens in the end. When applying this to finance or policy, we often weigh the positive impact of different choices to see which yields the highest total benefit. This famous phrase summarizes the movement. It encourages us to consider the broader impact of every resource allocation or financial decision we make. Understanding these frameworks helps us think more critically about how we use our resources. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more basics.